Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on your 2007 to 2014 Ford Edge. I prefer a Bosch Icon wiper blade. You're going to need two different sizes, and I have a link in the description to this video to these exact wiper blades. This is actually one of the easiest wiper blade removal and installations you'll ever have to do. There's a little tab right here, and all you have to do is push in on that little tab and simultaneously pull the wiper blade toward the windshield, down toward the windshield. Like this, push it in and then pull down, and you can slide that wiper blade down and to clear the arm. Because we have two different size wiper blades, you want to make sure that you put the 26A on the driver's side. 20A is for the passenger side. You'll notice that the Bosch comes with a cover. What you'll want to do is squeeze these two tabs in, and then the cover will pop open. What you want to do is come up and over the wiper arm through that little hole in the cover, then push and that should snap into place, and then you can just snap that cover back on. And you'll just want to repeat this with the other side. Push this tab in and then push down to clear that, and that's it. Again, same deal. You'll notice the cover. Just squeeze those two tabs in, opens the cover, and then you'll want to go in that slot in the cover, then tilt this piece toward the inside, and then push that up until it locks, and then close the cover. And that's it, YouTube. I hope I helped you out. Feel free to thumbs up this video if I did. And awesome job saving money by not bringing this to the dealer and doing it yourself. Should be very satisfying. Thanks for watching.